Hey, how are you all? Welcome back. So today we're going to start on the process of dealing with big data and the Internet of Things. And so let me get my slide pack working. Here we go. So basically this is just my quick little introduction so you know what to expect. When you use this slide pack, it's going to come with this cover. I will actually make sure it's got the video numbers on it by the time you actually see it, and you'll be able to just put it into presentation mode, click on where it is that you're up to and move into the relevant topic. So what we will be covering today is, again, let me just work backwards. Why is this not working for me? So what we're going to be covering today is, as we will pretty much always do, some important terminology. So some concepts and some language that is relevant to this topic so that you're well placed to do the reading. I'll do a video with a very brief history of technology or the relevant technologies so that you can contextualize what it is that we're talking about. And then there'll be probably 4 more videos. I might break them up just to make sure they're not too long. So we'll talk about what big data, what the Internet of Things is where we'll start, and then we'll look at some of the legal considerations and issues that arise, and then we'll also look at what big data is, and again some of the legal issues that arise. We'll probably steer away from privacy as a significant issue. That's probably the issue that stands out the most at the moment, and it's definitely something that is a relevant legal consideration, but it's not a real focus of this particular course because you'll be rammed with privacy in so many other places. So we'll be very high level on the privacy elements, and we'll go a little bit deeper on some of the deeper issues. So I've got my propeller hat on, ready to go. Oh God, like any geek, I'm completely uncoordinated, haven't even got the language for it today. That's all I've got to say right now. We're going to get stuck in a minute with some of that important terminology. Cheers.